What's up guys, my name is Neff and APIs make me happy. This is a quick video, mostly as a reference for future Neff in case I get stuck trying to set up Epiphany with getting data from PhoneWagon. You might be wondering, what the heck is PhoneWagon? What the heck is Epiphany? I'll quickly talk about it. PhoneWagon is a call tracking software that is awesome, great value for the money. I suggest you check it out if you're into that kind of stuff, or tracking attribution for your marketing campaigns. Epiphany is a really cool tool that allows you to do API calls from Google Sheets. It's an add-on and I think it's definitely worth a look. There's so many use cases, but in a nutshell, if you use Zapier, Pabbly Connect, any of these API connection softwares, you should definitely check this one out. Okay, so why am I creating this video? Again, it's mostly for a reminder on how to set this up. I'm not a software developer, but I really appreciate connecting different services with APIs. And I got stuck setting this up, so hopefully you won't get stuck as you watch this video. This is pretty much the setup to connect Epiphany with PhoneWagon to do a GET request. So essentially, I'm just trying to pull all my calls over from PhoneWagon into this Google Sheet. If we jump over to PhoneWagon API docs, we can see here that it uses the ID and secret must be supplied as a basic auth username and password in each API request. When I read that, I had no idea what the heck that meant. Hopefully this can be a shortcut for you. Essentially what that means is you have to provide this key called authorization and this value basic with your username, password that's encoded in base 64. And what the heck is that? If you do a quick search and put something like base 64 encode, pretty sure this is the service that I used, and it seems to be pretty secure, safe and secure. It's encrypted, so that looks promising. Can't guarantee it, but it makes me feel a little safer. And what you want to do is put your username and your password, encode it, and then you get this weird looking string here. Copy it, and that essentially becomes your username password that gets to be sent as an HTTP request. And that's what you throw in here. And voila, it works. That's apparently some sort of method to use when doing GET or POST requests with APIs. In my case, it's a GET request, and it's done in this particular manner because that's the way PhoneWagon requires their data to be passed through their API. Anyways, I don't know if this is helpful for you. It would have been certainly helpful for me if I found a video like this, so that's why I created it. If you have any comments or suggestions on things I should check out for connecting to APIs, I would be infinitely grateful, and I look forward to reading your comments below.